full body outdoor stretching exercises. Let's do it. Exercise number 1, air twisting crunch. Instructions: lie on your back, lift your legs, and simultaneously bring your right elbow to your left knee while twisting your torso. Repeat on the other side. This dynamic movement engages your entire core and oblique muscles. Benefits: the air twisting crunch effectively targets your abdominal muscles, especially the obliques, promoting core strength and stability. The twisting motion engages multiple muscle groups, enhancing flexibility and improving your overall range of motion. Keep doing and ready for the next exercise. Exercise number 2, crunch and clap. Instructions: perform a standard crunch by lifting your upper body off the ground and add a clap at the top. Control the movement to engage your core throughout the exercise. Benefits: the crunch and clap exercise intensifies a traditional crunch, challenging your core muscles and promoting increased calorie burn. It's an excellent cardiovascular workout that enhances overall endurance and contributes to a stronger, more defined midsection. Great work! Get ready for the next exercise. Exercise number 3, jumping jacks. Instructions: start with your feet together and arms at your sides. Jump, spreading your legs and raising your arms overhead. Return to the starting position and repeat. Maintain a steady pace. Benefits: jumping jacks elevate your heart rate, promoting cardiovascular fitness. This full body exercise engages your legs, arms, and core, contributing to improved endurance, coordination, and overall muscle tone. You're doing awesome! Don't stop now, ready for the next exercise. Exercise number 4, leg raises, double crunches. Instructions: lie on your back, lift your legs off the ground, and perform leg raises. Transition into a double crunch by bringing your knees towards your chest as you lift your upper body off the ground. Benefits: leg raises and double crunches target the lower abs and core muscles, enhancing strength and definition. This combination exercise also improves flexibility in the lower back and contributes to a well-rounded full body workout. Keep doing and ready for the next exercise. Exercise number 5, stretching, butterfly yoga pose. Instructions: sit with the soles of your feet together, knees out to the sides. Hold your feet and gently press your knees toward the ground, feeling a stretch in your inner thighs. Benefits: the butterfly yoga pose opens up the hips and stretches the inner thighs, promoting flexibility. It also helps alleviate lower back tension, making it an excellent addition to your outdoor stretching routine for relaxation and improved hip mobility. Great work! Get ready for the next exercise. Exercise number 6, stretching, seated wide-angle pose sequence. Instructions: sit with legs wide apart, hinge at the hips, and reach forward. Hold, then twist to one side, reaching towards the foot. Repeat on the other side. Benefits: this seated wide-angle pose sequence stretches the hamstrings, inner thighs, and lower back. It enhances overall flexibility, improves posture, and releases tension in the lower body, making it beneficial for a full-body outdoor stretching routine. You're doing awesome! Don't stop now, ready for the next exercise. Exercise number 7, stretching, single straight leg stretch. Instructions: lie on your back, lift one leg toward the ceiling, and reach towards your toes with your hands. Switch legs in a scissor-like motion. Benefits: the single straight leg stretch targets the hamstrings, promoting flexibility and elongation. It also engages the core, contributing to abdominal strength and improved posture, making it a valuable exercise for a full-body outdoor stretching session. Feel the freedom of movement, embrace the power of nature, and make these full-body outdoor stretching exercises a daily ritual. Remember, a flexible body leads to a flexible mind. Stay active, stay vibrant, and see you in the next workout.